Ganpati Bappa
Moria!
Hello friends, Ganesh festival is one of the most auspicious and celebrated events. Revant was busy preparing for the upcoming Ganesh festival. Revant doesn't mind helping his parents and others in decorating their homes and the apartment, but he doesn't like his parents ordering him around. Revant was playing in the family room when he heard his mother calling him from the puja room.
Revan, come here immediately.
What is it, Ma?
First come here.
Reluctantly, Revant paused his PlayStation and walked towards the puja room.
Didn't I ask you to clean this room? Baba is going to bring the Murti of Ganesh ji in the evening.
Why can't you clean it?
Look at this boy, disobeying his mother. Do you know what Ganesh ji did when he was of your age?
I know. He fought with the all-powerful Lord Shiva just to obey his mother. You have told me this story so many times. Now can I go?
Wait, do you think this story is only about blindly following your mother's orders?
Of course, what else?
No, beta. This also tells you that at a young age, Ganesh ji developed single-minded focus and dedication to finish his tasks.
And how did this help him?
In many ways, because of his complete focus on the work at hand, he accomplished so many great things when he grew up.
Really? Like what? All you have told me is this story and the other one where he circled his parents to win some competition.
Remember Mahabharata?
Oh yes, I love that TV serial. So many stories in it.
Yes, many stories. Mahabharata is the longest epic ever written in this world. No epic of ancient times comes close to Mahabharata. Imagine the work required to write an epic of this size.
For the first time, Revant thought of Mahabharata in this way. It got him thinking.
Do you know how many words are there in Mahabharata?
No.
Almost 2 millions.
2 millions? Who could have written all those words, Ma? Revant couldn't believe that someone actually wrote such a huge epic.
Ved Vyas had the similar question when he was looking for someone to write Mahabharata. He had all the stories in his mind, but he couldn't find anyone in the world who had the capacity, dedication, and patience to put those stories on paper. No writer of that time was willing to accept a project of this size. Heavily disappointed, Vyas considered giving up the idea of writing Mahabharata.
Oh no, how did Mahabharata get written then?
A great writer with single-minded focus on his work came to rescue. If not for his continuous writing over a long time, there would be no Mahabharata. Can you guess who he was?
Revant's mouth was open with surprise and awe. After a few moments, he answered, Ganesh ji?
Yes, beta, Ganesh ji. You can do seemingly impossible tasks if you have developed single-minded devotion to your work.
Why didn't you tell me this before? I get it now, Ma. I will also develop dedication to my work. Before Baba comes with the Murti, you will see that the puja room will be spotless. Here comes Baba with Ganesh Murti reciting the chant.
Ganpati Bappa Moria! Ganpati Bappa Moria! Ganpati Bappa Moria!
Let's do the aarti together.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva. माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूष की सवारी पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा, लड्डुअन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। अंधे को आँख देत कोढ़िन को काया, पांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया। सूर शाम शरण आए सफल कीजे सेवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया।
So bye bye friends, see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this story with your friends.